Today we're gonna talk about ASMR for your recipe videos. Hey guys, my name is Rusty and welcome to another audio tutorial. First is mic placement. So make sure your microphone is angled so that it's directly looking at whatever it is you're cooking. Make sure that your microphone is near enough to your subject. You can also use a TRS cable so that you can move the camera away from your microphone. I use my DSLR as my first cam to capture steady and close-up shots. And then I use my smartphone as my handheld camera. This way I can capture two different shots at the same time. Instead of mounting your mic on top of your camera, you can use a monopod so you can maintain a consistent gap between your subject and mic. It's not the ideal setup, but you can use this idea as your starting point if you're gonna do ASMR for your recipe videos. Bye!